Hello guys! Welcome to my channel at Jollibee McDonald Toys. Please support my channel where I unbox Happy Meal and Kiddie Meal toys from McDo and Jollibee Philippines. So in this video, I will unbox McDonald's Happy Meal toy released in the Philippines. So na-release siya. This McDonald's Adult Happy Meal toy uh, was released on April 5th, 2025. Oh, ingay ng mga dogs ko. So in the Philippines, they want to make it as a blind box. So if you go to different store in the Philippines, they will mark it. They will put a marking on it. You know, may pentel pen. So you wouldn't know what's the toy inside. There are stores naman na they don't put marking, so you will know. There are numbers like for this one, number 6. Number 6 is soda potion. So may mga numbers yan. Number 1 is Hamburglar, 2 Birdie, 3 Grim Ace. So this one is Grim Ace. So unbox natin to later. Check natin isa-isa ano laman. So number 4 is Fry, number 5 is Big Mac, and number 6 is eto nga si Soda. So, unbox natin. Try natin tong isa. Ito is, sino ba to? So Grim Ace egg. So, let's see what's inside. Ayan, ganyan siya. Pero let's try to look at the box first. Ayan, ganyan siya ang box. So, pwede mong i-collect pati box. So, I have collected one set for myself. So, ito yung laman, box. Then, itong papel na to. Oops. Let me hide the code for game. So, yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano silbi nito. Pero ito yung yung card. So, nasa likod yung code. So, you can claim it in-game. Ayan. So, let's open all. Then, pakita ko sa inyo. Close up isa-isa. So, let's open it. Okay, that's it. So, inopen ko na silang lahat. So, tingnan natin close up one by one in their particular order. So, number 1, si Zombie Hamburglar. So, ayan siya. Zombie Hamburglar. Ito yung card na kasama niya. The zombie. Ayan. Tapos, yung code card. Redeemable. Ayan. So, yan si Zombie Hamburglar. Next is number 2 is si Birdie. Birdie Wings. So, ganda siya pang collect, pang display. Ito naman yung code card niya. So, you can claim it during game, in-game. Yan. Yan, ganda. Number 3 is si Grimace Egg. So, Grimace Egg, in the Philippines, sought after, mabilis maubos sa mga store, nagkaubusan during nung peak niya, mataas ang hype. Yan. Si Grimace Egg. Number 4 is si Fry. Ayan, Fry. Ito yung code card niya. Fry. Maganda. Okay. Fry. Tama ba? Ay, si ano pala to? Sorry, si Big Mac. Number 5 to. Big Mac. Number 5. Si Fry is number 4. This is Big Mac. Number 5. Okay. So, lumampas tayo. So, let's go back to number 4. Si Fry. Yan, Fry. May magandang combo yan kay Fry. Si mali. Ito pala, sorry. Ito yung card ni Fry. Yan. Hop, nakita. Swerte na makaka-redeem. Number 4. Let's go back sa number 5 kay Big Mac. Ito yung card niya. Oh, yeah. Yun. Big Mac. Balik tayo kay number 4. May combo ako dyan eh. Kung meron ko yung skeleton. Skeleton. Hindi siya kita kung nakita. Pero yung combo niya. Swak yan. Skeleton. Fry. Next, last easy. Soda potion. Ang ganda. Soda potion. Mga collector. Yan. So, ano pa to eh. Hindi ko pa siya nare-redeem. So, pinakita ko na lang. So, swerte kung sino magre-redeem yan. Kung sino makaka-watch, you can redeem this code. Ano lang. Please support my channel by liking or subscribing. Pakita ko ulit. Yan. Hindi naman ako naglalaro. Ikukulik ko lang yan. So, kayo na mag-redeem ng code. That's it, pansit. Thank you. Bye-bye.